Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing 5 things that I thought was a bit surprising or culture shock for me. These are things that I didn't know about Japan prior to coming here. These are things that I actually seen or have experienced while being here. Number 1, smoking. Smoking in Japan is very big. Like, you will go to restaurants and they'll have sections for smokers and non-smokers. In the clubs, some clubs that I've been to, people are allowed to smoke inside the clubs. On their break, people usually smoke. People smoke a lot. They are even on the street. You will see areas where a lot of people are smoking. So smoking here is very big. And I actually thought that Jamaicans smoked a lot, but since coming here, I can tell you, like, people smoke a lot. Okay, number 2, drinking. When I go to major places such as like Yokohama Station or Tokyo on like a Friday night or Saturday night, I usually see like a lot of salary men, which are men dressed up in their suit, jacket and tie. They are always drunk on the road because they always go to different bars and they drink and they know that they can't manage, but they still drink. And then you always see people on the road vomiting, or they are on the street sleeping. Like, it's crazy, but that's the culture here. They drink and they enjoy themselves. If, for example, when they drink, they get bold. Typically, a Japanese guy will not approach me unless he's drinking. So the only time that I am approached is when I'm in the club or I'm in a setting where alcohol is involved. So that's what I personally have noticed while being here. So like, if I'm walking on the street, the same guy would not approach me on the street. But if he's in the club and he's drinking, then yeah, that's my personal experience. Number 3, Japanese are always running. They run for the bus, they run for the stoplight, they run to catch the crosswalk, they run to catch the train, they run, I guess, because they're late, but they are always running. Like, I'm always seeing somebody running on the street. That's just something new for me. People running a lot. Number 4, another thing that I have noticed, a culture shock for me, is the fact that on weekends are like any other day in the week, because if you should go on the road on weekends, you're gonna see people in jackets and tie. You're gonna see students going to school in their school uniform. So it's like any other day in the week on weekends. Even on holidays, you see people going to work in their jacket and their tie, students going to school. So it's like they are always going to work or going to school here. Yeah, the only holiday that I have noticed so far that you don't really see anybody on the road is, I think it was New Year's Day. Yeah, New Year's Day. When I went to Shibuya Crosswalk, there wasn't that many people on the road, and usually that area has millions of people passing by. That was very surprising for me. So yeah, only on New Year's Day you might not see anybody, because I think their tradition is for them to stay home and spend time with their family or visit their grandparents or stuff like that. And the final thing, culture shock for me, is the high school, not even high school, junior high school and high school students, their uniform. So the girls, they wear extremely short skirts. In Jamaica, number 1, we could not leave our house in short skirt, and even if we did, behind our parents' back, we could not go to school in that short skirt. Okay, but here, I think like every student, every high school student that I have personally seen, their skirt is extremely short. The junior high school students, some of them may be short, some may not, but the high school student that I have seen, their skirts are very short. Adults, women, they don't really show a lot of cleavage. So I think yeah, I'm okay with showing cleavage, but Japan culture, they are not okay with showing cleavage, but they're okay with wearing very short skirts or dress. That's what I have noticed. So you will not see, even in the summer when I came here, you don't really see people wearing a lot of sleeveless clothing. They are mainly covered up. It's summer, your body needs to breathe, like, but yeah, they don't. That's what I have noticed. So they are okay with wearing short things but not showing cleavage. And I think we in Jamaica, I think we are probably the other way around, but we still wear short things, but we also wear like this. So like I would wear something like probably like this to work, you know, like this, but they would probably wear something that comes all the way up here. Yeah, so very different culture. Those are the 5 things that I wanted to share with you guys, things that were, I guess, culture shock for me. So I hope this was very informative for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.